Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add image and formula field in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically first you will need to have image generator or some emoji generator in your Salesforce. And basically there is an application or like an app exchange app that you can add. Its name is the graphics pack. So basically we can go to view all, and from there we visit the app exchange. We go to app exchange so we can add our pack. So from here we want the graphics and we click enter. And as you can see, you will need to have your graphic pack. And basically here we'll have many graphic packs, and from there or from these graphics we will be able to start adding them in our field. So basically after that you will need just to go to your objects manager where you want to add your formula field. And basically I'm just going for assets, for example, account, and fields relationship. I'm going to click on new, and from here I'm going to add formula and click on next. And from here we want it to be a text, so basically we click on text and next. And after that you will start adding your formula for each part of the formula means. So for example, image and image. So I'm just going to click on next, and basically here you want to add your text. And basically now you can start having your formula. And basically I can check the syntax, and basically the pick list field doesn't exist. And from here you will need only to start having your graphics, and basically it will start working. So also here it should be a case, and basically now you will need to have this. By adding this code you will have your text or the images that will be printed. So this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.